Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can wash your fruits and vegetables naturally so that they become suitable for eating. We all know we cannot live without vegetables or fruits. Like fruits and vegetables are the part of our daily regime, especially for vegans, vegetarians and fruitarians, like those people who are totally dependent on fruit and vegetables and they are not taking any kind of meat products or any kind of animal products. So it becomes very important, like if fruit is the only diet or vegetable is the only diet that you are consuming, it becomes very important that it should be infection free. It should be any kind of protozoa or these microbe free. There should be no microorganisms. At least those microorganisms which are harmful for our body, they should not be present in the fruit, at least on the surface. These days, whatever fruits are available in the market or in the supermarket, they contain a lot of pesticides, insecticides on it. I'm not saying whole of them have, many of them has organic section also, and maybe they don't have sprays. But still, whenever you are buying something from the market, don't immediately eat it. You bring them to the home, wash it properly, and then only you make them a part of your diet. Many times I have seen, like, people go to the market, they just purchase some mangoes, any kind of fruit, even apples, and they are just purchasing them and start eating its apple. So please don't do this, because it is better first you wash it properly and then consume it, because even if you say it is organic, many times these are being touched by various people's hands, and most of the times those hands are not washed. So it is very important, don't just buy from the market and put in your mouth. Bring them home properly, and then first wash these fruits in running water, running tap water. So this the way I am going to tell, this is the natural way of washing fruits. And I also have seen, like, many people are even dipping these fruits and vegetables in Dettol, these kind of chemical disinfectants. So I would like to suggest you, please don't use these chemical disinfectants, because these are just for applying externally. For example, you have some kind of wound or some kind of injury, so this disinfectant like Dettol, Savlon and all these kind of things, they are supposed to apply only outside skin, because if you see them, even the indications that are written over these all kind of disinfectants, like, this is for external use only. You cannot drink Dettol or alcohol or these kind of things. So it is very important that you don't wash your fruits and vegetables in these kind of disinfectants, because it is dangerous for health. You think they are become microbe free or germ free, but actually it is this chemical which Dettol and these Savlon, all these kind of disinfectants add, they are not good for health. So it is not for intrinsic use. So you need you never wash these things with soaps or disinfectants or various kind of these chemicals, because they are not so good for health. So what is the traditional way of washing these fruits, and how you can make it this microbe free or infection free? What was the natural way of doing it? How in Ayurveda it's been done? So one thing is, very simple way is there. You take fruit from the market or even from your organic garden. There also you need to wash fruits. You don't just pluck fruit from the tree and directly eat it, because many times birds are sitting over them. Birds itself are the carriers of various kind of organisms, and when they sit, sometimes they poop, and sometimes that with rain that poop washed away. So you just don't pluck from the tree and directly start eating. It's better you just wash it properly first. So how you can wash it? You take the fruit and you bring it to tap water. You keep the fruit just like this, scrub the fruit under tap water, under running tap water, so that water doesn't stay over it, water just run away, go through it. After that, take a big vessel and put hot water in it. Then take this fruit and put in hot water. soak it for 10 minutes. So, this is for if the fruit is from organic origin, that is from your garden, and then take it out, again wash it with cold water, and now dry it off. After that you see whether you need to remove peels or no need to remove peels. So, accordingly you decide. But this is the way of washing fruit if you have your own organic garden. If you don't have, if you have purchased the fruit from market or supermarket, so regarding that, the procedure is you take the fruit, you wash it under running tap water for 10 minutes. After that, soak that fruit into warm water. You make a hot water, like quite hot water, but not that hot like you burn your fingers, just but hot water, like you check, like it should be hot enough, that is warm enough. So, you soak that fruit for 10 minutes into that. After that, take another bowl of water, it should also be hot water, and put 1 spoon of tablespoon salt into it in warm water, and just mix it properly and put that fruit into it. Salt is a natural disinfectant. At the same time, you can also use little bit of turmeric, that is half spoon of turmeric, and mix it well in this hot water and soak that fruit in for 10 minutes in this hot water. After that, if you have taken fruit from the organic section, maybe this process is enough. But if it is general fruit and you do not know whether it has more insecticides or more pesticides, so there is one more method, that you take neem leaves. Neem is very common disinfectant, and good thing is neem is edible also, and it has it is very good disinfectant. It has natural properties for cleansing the body, and also to various kind of surfaces it can also be used. That is why this kind of fruit, you take neem leaves, you prepare decoction of it. How you can prepare decoction? For example, you take a big tumbler, put some neem leaves in it, and just boil these neem leaves for 20 to 30 minutes till the color of the water change. After that, take this decoction down and put this fruit into it, let it dip for next 10 to 20 minutes, and after that you just wash that fruit again with normal running tap water. So, this way also you can make your food free from any bacteria and these kind of harmful insecticides and pesticides, and this fruit will be edible to eat. Similar way you can do for the vegetables, but best thing is, it is very important that you remove the peel of various kind of these fruits, because these days most of the fruits are with sprays. So, better you, whenever it is possible, remove the peel, and so that fruit will become totally safe and it is totally edible. But still there are these natural ways, like in which, like I said, neem decoction or tulsi decoction, that is holy basil decoction, that is also prepared in the similar way, that you take a big pot in which you heat water, put 3, 4, 5, 6 tulsi leaves into it, and then once the color of the decoction change, you just put it down and then soak the fruit or vegetable into it, and after that, but make sure don't burn your hands. Use some instrument for soaking and taking out, that would be good, or but make sure it should not be extreme hot, otherwise fruit will be cooked or vegetable will be cooked. So, it should be like warm, so that it is enough to, it will not cook your vegetable or fruit. It just try to keep it natural. If it is very hot, if you are keeping, just then dip it for 2 minutes, not more than that, so that the texture of the fruit or the texture of the vegetable should not change, because as we know, the cooked fruit has different properties and raw fruit has different properties. So, it is just a procedure to wash, I am telling. If it is warm, that is, you see, like your fruit should not feel cooked, it should be at normal temperature, then you can soak it for 20 minutes, but it is extremely hot, then just dip for 2-3 minutes and take it out, so that your fruit or vegetable should not feel like cooked. So, this is the small way which you can try in your daily day-to-day life to make your fruits and vegetables free from microorganisms and viruses and bacteria, and these will make your fruit more edible. At the same time, do not forget, after doing these procedures, to wash these fruits under again running tap water, that is cold tap water, and in this way you can have more safe fruits and free from insecticides and pesticides. At the same time, try to avoid these savolone and detols, because these are only for external use, they are not edible and they are not good for body. So I try to give some natural ways how old traditions were doing it, how they were disinfecting fruits, and how it was a very simple and easy method which does not cost anything and it gives tremendous benefits. I hope you will like this methodology of washing fruits and you can try also. One more thing I would like to say, don't forget to please all those people who are allergic to turmeric, salt, which very rare people are, and holy basil or neem, please try to avoid these ingredients. I think it's nothing special about it, but still as a precaution I am telling you, because many people many times forget. So keep these things in mind. Also, I would like to request you, if you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed my channel yet, then I will request you, then please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you stay with our upcoming videos. And with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed. Also, if you would like to support us, you can click the join button and support us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please write down to us. We will answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share. Bye. Take care.